Howdy team, we're still on PowerPoint Chapter 1 on Step 6. Create a 4-column, 7-row table on Slide 4. I'm going to come over here to my thumbnails and click on Slide 4, and then you'll see inside my frame are small icons. The first icon is to insert a table. The second one is to insert a chart. The third one is to insert Smart Art Graphic, which we'll do later. There's to insert pictures from my computer, to insert pictures from the online web, and to insert a video. By using these icons, you pre-size whatever you're inserting into the frame already. And that's pretty much what Microsoft is looking for, or my IT lab at this assignment. So we need 4 columns and 7 rows. I'm going to click the table, and it brings up an Insert Table dialog box. I'm going to highlight my column number and type 4, and then it wants 7 rows, so I'm going to go ahead and use the other way and increase the rows by clicking my arrows up. And then I say OK, and it pre-selects the table. We've already been in a retrospect theme, so this is the retrospect default colors, and it pre-sized it to our slide frame area. In the first row, it asks us to type category, then last year. I just hit the tab between each one of the column headings. You could click your mouse if you prefer. So last year, this year, and increase. And now we have other items to type in. I'm going to pause the video and type those in. You type yours in, and we'll come back in just a second. Step 6 completed should look similar to this year-to-year comparison. Notice some columns had dollars, some column symbols, and some columns didn't. I attempted to copy the blue text as carefully as possible. That's the end of Step 6. Step 7. In the table you just created, apply the medium style to accent to table style. So when we're clicked on the table, Table Tools appears, and we have a design and a layout. The Design tab gives us all sorts of styles, and we're looking for a medium style, accent to. So we hover our mouse over, and there's medium style accent to. You're going to have to just move your mouse around until you find the correct table. We click on that, it slightly changes our colors, and format the table text font size to 18. So I'm going to highlight the entire table. I'm going to go to the Home tab, to our font panel, and I'm going to go to text 18, which looks like we were already defaulted on, and center align the headings. So we're going to come up here to our headings, category, last name, and last year, and increase. And we're going to come up to the paragraph tile. Now you can also go here, and this would middle align. But you can also go here, and this will center align. Okay, so middle is up and down, and left and right and center is right here. And then it asks us to right align all numbers. So you would highlight just the number columns, and we're going to come up here, and in the paragraph dialog box you can click right align with those lines, and that moves all the numbers over to the right, and we have completed number 7. Don't forget to save. Step 8. Add a new slide after slide 4. I come over here to the thumbnails. I click between slide 3 and 4, and it asks us to use a comparison layout slide. I'm on the Home tab. You can also do this on the Insert tab under New Slides, and we want the comparison slide. So we're going to have like 2 divisions. We're going to have a left side and a right side. And now it says type Wanton Waffles as the title of the slide, and I've already told you my secret. I grab it off the instructions and I put it in, and type Lunch and Waffles as the header on the left side. and type dessert waffles as the header on the right side. And I tap twice and I Control V. So I highlighted what was in my instructions with Control C. You can also right click and copy. And I double clicked and Control V to paste, or you can right click and paste as a heading to the right. Format the font size to 18 point. So I'm going to check here and we're at 20. So I'm going to move us down to 18. And I'm going to go here and move us down to 18. And then I think we are done with step 8 and we need to save.